Hello friends. So now we'll see how to create an email account. Email account is basically created to send and receive emails. Today we are going to see how to open a Gmail account, which is a program of Google. So there are different types of email account providers. There is Gmail, there is Yahoo, Hotmail, Rediffmail, Outlook, Zoho Mail, Inbox, Hushmail, and lots of other providers. You can pick any of it as per your choice. First thing first, what you need is an internet connection, and then you need access to an internet browser. So you can pick any of these browsers. There is one Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, and many more. Okay, so let's start. First we'll have to open internet browser. We can select the browser from the toolbar, or there could be shortcut on your desktop, or just scroll and find it in your program, or you can just type Internet Explorer. It will show you an option here. Just click on it. So first it will open your home page. Just go to this address bar, type in www.gmail.com. So it will open this landing page of Gmail. It will ask for email or phone number, but we don't have either of it because we have not created an account yet. So you can go to more options, select the second option which says create account, click on it. Now it opens a new form page which we'll have to fill in. We need to first type in our first name and last name. In this case I am putting the name of my program, that is Real Talent. Then it asks to choose a username. Now username can be combination of your first name and last name, or it can be anything, whatever you want. So your email address would be a combination of your username and @gmail.com, which is by default written here. So if I put my address as real.talent, so my username in this case would be real.talent@gmail.com. So I click on create a password now, but it says that someone has already used that username, so I cannot use that. I'll have to select something else, and it is giving me other options here. I can select Real Talent 716, Talent Real 7, or Talent 24, but I don't want any of these. I want Real.talent, let's say 11. Okay, so now it has not given any error, so this is an acceptable user ID. Now I'll create a password. Again, password can be anything simple to remember, but it should be only with you. You should not share it with anyone. So it can be a combination of alphanumeric characters, small caps, or numbers, symbols, anything of your choice. So I have put mine. Okay. If the password doesn't match, it gives an error. Okay. So once we have created username, we'll go to password. The password can be anything, any combination of alphanumeric characters or even symbols. So small, big, caps letters, or small letters you can use with a combination of number and symbol. Example, A, B in small, C, D in caps, and then 1, 2, and then again some symbol of your choice, @ or hash or and or percentage, anything of your choice, but it should be simple to remember, and you should remember it, and you should not share it with anyone else. So I'll just put mine. Okay, it is saying the password doesn't match. Okay, so I'll put something else. The password doesn't match means I have put something else above and something else below. So now it is proper, it has taken it. Let's move to birthday. Choose your birth date, let's say 1 Jan 1980. Anything that has to be your birthday. So again, male, female. So, and then your mobile phone number. This is important. If you don't put it here, you can still proceed to next step, but for the verification of account and for activation, it will still ask you your mobile number in the next step. It sends you an OTP, that is one-time password. So for now, let's just click on next step and proceed further. Now it asks us to view this privacy policy. Once we have read it, we just have to click on I agree to their terms and condition, and then yes, we have access to our Gmail account now. Continue to Gmail. Okay. So here it is. We have got our welcome to Gmail notification, and it just shows you some steps how you can use this Gmail account on your mobile phone, tablets, or any other device, and what more things you can do with your Gmail account. So that's it. Go to Gmail account, and here you have your primary mails, social mails, and promotional mails. Gmail automatically segregates few of the emails by their email address into which category it should be put into. So, and here is your inbox where you will find most of your mails, and if you want to write a mail to someone, then you'll have to compose it. So you will have to write an address, put the subject of your email and the email body. You can also attach files, and you can insert files from your Google Drive, and there are a lot of features. Once the email is sent, it will go in your sent mail folder. So these are different folders. Once you delete it, it will go to your trash mail, and this is how you can access your Gmail account. Once you are done using it, there are other features also of Google which you can access from here. If you just click here, you can go to my account, you can go to your YouTube account, which will also be created with the same username, that is real.talent11 in this case. You can then go to Gmail, Google Plus, Google Drive. Google Drive is also very important. You can store all your documents here. You can go to your Google Play Store account, which has all the apps of your Android phones, then photos, maps. So you can basically access all the Google programs from here. So that's about it. Once you are done using this, you can just click on your icon here, Real Talent, and then just click on sign out. So you will be logged out of this account, and nobody else will be able to use it until they insert your password. So that's it. We have created our first Gmail account. So now if you ever want to access it again, you can simply open your internet browser again, type in gmail.com, and then it has not taken it out. You can choose another, you can just insert your username, click on next, just put in your password, and then you will be logged into your account. There is another simple way to log into your Gmail from Google. So if you just type in google.com and click enter, there is this 9 small squares here. That is the shortcut for application. If you just click here, it will show you some of the Google programs. You can just select Gmail from here, and you can directly log into your Gmail account from here also. So that's it, and That's it. You have learned how to create a Gmail account, and keep learning. Thank you.